In the next question from the trigonometric identity, we have to verify that, prove that cos A minus sin A plus 1 over cos A plus sin A minus 1 is equal to cosec A plus cot A. Now, first of all, you can see that we need RHS as cosec A and cot A, we need have cos A. Now, how to convert cos into cot? We know that cos divided by sin is cot. Similarly, we need cosec here and 1 divided by cosec, or we can say that's 1 divided by sine. Sorry, 1 divided by sine is cosec. And that is the reason is why I have written that we are going to divide this numerator and denominator by sine A. Now let's figure out if I divide the numerator and denominator by sine A, like say, if I divide this cos A by sine A, what we are going to get here is cot A. We'll get cot A here minus sine A divided by sine A. That is sine A by sine A will give you what? Will give you 1. It will give 1. And further, we can see that we have plus 1. So 1 divided by sine A from here is what? Cosec. So we'll get cosec A here. And same with the denominator also, we'll get this as cot A plus 1 minus cosec A. Now, we have converted them into cosec and cot, but we have not got what we have to find out or prove. Now, what we can do is, now first I'm going to rearrange. Let me write down and then I'll give you the reason why I'm making some rearrangement here. I shuffled the order and now this is cot A. Well, denominator is not going to make any difference as we have told you, as I've told you that we do not expand the denominator in proving identity. Now check here. We have to simplify this and I'm going to apply, we are going to apply this identity as cosec square minus cot square A. Now, as you know that A plus B when multiplied by A minus B is what? A square minus B square. So we have cosec minus cot A and we have to get cosec square A minus cot square A. And that is the reason we'll multiply the numerator and denominator with cosec A minus cot A. If I do so, cosec A, what's that? Cosec A minus cot A. And so with the denominator, that is cosec A minus cot A. Now, once again, you see we have this as cosec A plus cot A. And we have this multiplied with cosec A plus cot A. So as I said, A square, A plus B into A minus B is A square minus B square. And we are doing so as to obtain cosec square A minus cot square A. So what we'll get if I multiply this with this, I'll get this as cosec square A minus cot square A. And now if I multiply this minus 1 with this thing, that is minus 1 into cosec is minus cosec A, and minus 1 multiplied by this is positive cot A. Now denominator will not do anything, we'll keep everything as it is. So this is cot A plus 1 minus cosec A, same closed in a bracket, and this is what? Cosec A minus cot A. This is cosec A minus cot A. Now, as I said, we can write this cosec square A minus cot square A as 1. So I'll replace this with 1. So what I'm going to get here is, this will get this as 1 minus 1 for this and minus cosec A plus cot A. And denominator should be copied as usual. This is just, I'm rewriting this with the same order we have in the numerator. So I wrote first 1, then I wrote this minus cosec A, and then this plus cot A. basically keep them in a bracket, and then the leftover is what? Cosec A minus cot A. Now we can see that this get cancelled here. This and this are same, so you get cancelled here. So once we have simplified this, let's first make some space. Now, what is we are left with? We are simply left with 1 over cosec A minus cot A is what we are left, but that is not equal to the RHS. And as you can see, RHS is cosec A plus cot A. And therefore, we'll be multiplying this again with cosec A plus cot A. So this is cosec A plus cot A. Now you can check here that on multiplying 1 with the numerator, we'll have just cosec A plus cot A. We'll have just cosec A plus cot A only. Cosec A plus cot. I can write somewhere else. Let's say I write in here. So the 1 multiplied by this will give you cosec A plus cot A. That is cosec A plus cot A. In the denominator, once again, it is in the form of A minus B into A plus B, should give you A square minus B square. That is cosec square A minus cot square A. Now you can see that in the denominator, again, we can apply identity. Let the numerator be copied first, cot A. This is cosec square A minus cot square A, as we have used it in the same sum. Cosec square minus cot square is 1. So any number divided by 1 is the number itself. So we'll say that this is what? The RHS. As you can see that RHS is now this only. So that's how we prove this question.